Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to open up multiple URLs, websites or links with one click all at once. Please make sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up Google Chrome on your laptop or PC. And then from here, you want to click on the three horizontal dots, top right hand corner of your screen. And then you want to click on extensions and then click on visit Chrome Store. So once that's loaded up, you want to type in multiple URLs. So open multiple URLs, click on that. And then click on add to Chrome. Click on add extension. Click out of that. And then open up the new extension. So this is where you want to put in your list of URLs, text to extract URLs from. So I'm going to paste in these URLs. So I want to get these URLs that I've got sitting here. So I'm going to copy this. Alright, that's copied. Now I'm going to head over and paste it in here. And now I'm going to click on open URLs. You got these little options to do not load tabs until selected, load in random order, load in reverse order, ignore duplicate URLs. So you got those options to tick too. So I'm not going to worry about that. I'm just going to open up these URLs. And as you can see, all these URLs have been opened up in these different tabs. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this video helpful.